Hi, I'm Miriam Mello, and I lead product marketing here at Monarch Tractor. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how the all-electric Monarch Mark 5 tractor with WingspanAI can empower you to have visibility, improve efficiency, reduce your fuel and overtime costs. Now imagine a day in the life of a farm operations manager. They have a lot of responsibility, and having full visibility into every aspect of the farm is crucial to them. So how do we solve for that? It starts in WingspanAI, our digital platform. On the live operations screen, I can see the fleet list of what tractors are where on my farm, what they're doing. And if I was out in a field, I could also access WingspanAI from my mobile device so I never miss a beat. There are 2 operators on 2 tractors conducting manual operations right now. And if at any point I want to see how those operations are going, I can access the live camera feeds from any of the tractors. In a few hours, we also have another operation, and I can see that the assigned tractor is charging and the battery is at 96%. If any of the tractors on my fleet are having an issue, the tractor health icon alerts me to which one I need to look into to understand if they're going to impact any of my operations. Later, I will show you how you can see the tractor fleet health status and the service tickets in progress. The green and white outlines show the farm boundaries, specific blocks, and obstacles that could potentially be in the way. These items are important to have mapped out, especially when we talk about autonomy. No matter where I am throughout my day, if I'm in front of my computer or out on a field, I know what is happening and I never miss a beat. Farmers everywhere are dealing with labor shortages while being challenged to reduce overtime costs. The Mark 5 can solve for that by conducting operations autonomously through our auto drive capabilities. I'll show you how easy it is to enable the Mark 5 to conduct auto drive mowing. To deploy auto drive mowing on the Mark 5, we start in the Live Ops tab within WingspanAI. I already have one tractor mowing with a flail mower, and I'm going to deploy another tractor to auto drive mow with a rotary mower. We have already mapped out the rows for this operation. We've attached the rotary mower to the tractor, and it is in position and ready to go. From here, I select the tractor in the fleet list and click Start Auto Drive, which means you are in total control of the tractor. I accept the terms and conditions. I verify that the implement is attached and I hit confirm. I can review implement parameters like PTO, speeds, and hitch controls, and then I click save. Select the beginning of the first row, select the last row, and select row frequency. And because we have already added the mower we are using in WingspanAI, the Mark 5 recognizes it and adjusts how it turns and steers throughout each row while it's conducting auto drive mowing. Now that I set the path, I click Start Auto Drive. The Mark 5 begins the mowing operation without an operator in the seat, but with full precision. If I need to, I can adjust speeds and implement settings on the fly. We have 2 tractors conducting 2 different mowing operations all at the same time. You can put this technology in the fingertips of your operators, and just like that, you just elevated them to fleet managers. We can't talk about farm operations without talking about farm safety. Every year, thousands of accidents resulting in serious injuries happen on farms across the globe. So when deploying new technology, safety is a must. The Mark 5 is enabled with AI-powered cameras and sensors that detect humans and objects. For example, WingspanAI alerted me that one of the auto drive tractors detected an object and it stopped. I checked the tractor cameras and I see that there's an orange cone in the way. I radio my team and ask whoever's closest to come and remove the cone. And once the path is cleared, the Mark 5 continues with the operation. Mark 5 coupled with WingspanAI safeguards your farm and your operators. Something that farm operations managers struggle with is lack of visibility. They don't have the ability to plan their operations to be more efficient and cost effective. They need insightful data. In the Analytics tab, You have access to data for your operations, and you can see insights and reports. I can see a summary of the activities of the week and the tractor fleet's health. I can also see things like average drive time or acres covered or battery runtime, for example, and much more. I can also see on the left the average savings of our operations, both in hours and fuel savings. Empowered with this data, farm operations managers can drive success with data-driven farming. Having a detailed understanding of tractors' health and how to fix issues is a key advantage of a smart and connected tractor. This can all be done in the Maintenance tab. Under Diagnostics, I can see the health conditions of my entire fleet or a specific tractor. I can also see the list of tickets, the severity, status, and who it is assigned to. I can also log a ticket and have direct interaction with Monarch support. Having real-time visibility of my fleet is vital for my maintenance crew and for myself. Today you saw a glimpse into what Monarch technology can do for your farm. Our solutions will increase efficiency, quality, and reduce costs. But there's so much more, and to see it and learn about it, go to monarchtractor.com and request a demo with one of our experts.